name is Farida. If you're just joining me for the very first time, thank you so much for clicking. In this channel, we talk about scar, we talk about how to get rid of your scar, different methods to use to get rid of your scar, and other things, you know, hair products. And I also have another channel where I talk about skin care, organic skincare tips. So please, I would really love your support. You could see it on the screen. I would love your support if you go there and just subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. So today we'll be talking about areas you should not use picosecond on. In as much as I talk about picosecond, that is really good, it's fine, but there's still some things about it that is still addressed. I make sure that I don't leave you guys in the dark. I tell you the bad and the good side of using picosecond. So today we'll be talking about areas not to use picosecond. Let's go right into it. Number one is on your eyes. If you have a scar that is on top of your eyes, please leave it. Please leave it. All right, in as much as you're trying to, it's not worth it. All right, I get people message me like, I have a scar on top. I normally tell them, please leave it. You can get the scar oil. I have it right here, please. It's still available. You can just, it's on Jumia. It's on Jumia. You guys should, or just, you know, chat me up and order. All right. So you can use the oil to be used. You can use oil. You can use silicone. You can use every other thing. But please don't use picosecond because that thing is light. Damaging your eye because you want to remove a scar is like, I don't know, even though you close your eye, that thing is still going to, please, I've never tried it on areas and I will not advise anyone to use it on that area. Please don't use it on scar on top of your eyes. Or number two is the one close to your eyes. Maybe it's here. Anything just in between this place, right? Here like this is a no-go. No. For me, it's a no. All right? Not even here, even here. Because someone might mistakenly, so just even here, you have to be very careful. Get someone. If you want to do it, get someone that will aim at that point only, okay? You can put it in, you know, your cheek. I have a scar on my cheek. You can put it on your cheek. You can use it on your, you can use it on your cheek or your forehead. But anywhere aside from that, on your face is a no-go area. Then the next thing, the next side is on your boobs. If you have, I have a scar there, I left it. There's no reason why I should give myself another scar or another thing just because I'm trying to get rid of a scar. So I just let it be. I also have a scar around that area, but I let it be, okay? It's not worth it. I don't even want to start thinking whether it's what do you call it, whether it's laser or picosecond. I'm not going to use it for it because I'm very scared. I wouldn't advise you to do that. Then the next area you should not use your picosecond is on your head, like mainly on your hair, where your hair is. You need to be very careful. You don't need to do that. You might have like scar on that area, but please just be very careful. Even if you're going to do it, get someone who's going to do it for you. Like I always recommend, especially if you're using a blue light picosecond, you need to get someone that is going to help you and navigate these tricky parts. Areas you could use picosecond on, let me tell you areas you could use picosecond on: your hand, on your cheek, on your forehead, on your leg, on your anywhere other than your boobs or your eyes or your head. You get, those are very sensitive areas. They're very sensitive places where you should not put picosecond on. Like you always send me a picture and you said, I'll still tell you, my answer is no. From today to tomorrow, it's still no. You can go to any other place who will tell you it's fine to do that. But for me, it's not. It's not going to come out from my mouth. It's not. Be very careful. Again, be very careful what you put on your body, all right? When you put on your body, I used it and it worked for me. That's what I'm telling you. If it doesn't work for me, you won't see this channel. All right? It's working for me, that's what I'm telling you. And again, everything I tell you, everything I sell to you is not an instant miracle action. It's a gradual process action. All right? So if I sell my scar oil to you and I tell you that, listen, it's going to work, but it's going to take time. All right? That means it's going to take time. Again, if you have a very intense scar, I would advise you to use Picosecond, the scar oil treatment, and maybe laser. Now, what it's going to do is that Picosecond is going to help you shrink the scar. Then the silicone is going to help flatten the scar. Like when you have like a raised, you put on makeup, it will become less noticeable. If you used to have scars that when you wear makeup, it shows very well. When you start using this product, it becomes less noticeable, and with time they tend to disappear. It doesn't disappear in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It takes years to disappear. With time, it begins to shrink. Now, what it does is that it shrinks the scar. It doesn't eliminate the scar completely. All right? Having said that, I've come to the end of this channel. Seriously, I've come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. I'm really grateful for your support, for everyone who has subscribed and has been watching this video. Thank you guys. I will still need more of your support. Please, I have a new channel. I talk about my business there. I talk about organic stuff. I talk about skincare products. I talk about how to take care of your skin. I do vlogs there. You get to meet me on a very personal level in that channel. I talk about hair growth and everything I couldn't talk about here. I just had to, separate it. So please go and support me in that channel. Just the way you support me here, I would really love your support in that channel. So yeah, bye.